I was proud and I was standing. I was lost in a crowd, but now this room is abandoned. Everybody keep on fading out. I was strong like a lion. I was firm and devout. We lay in the glow of the neon city lights, eyes on the wall through another sleepless night. I just wanna be alone again. And I'm remembering I was a wreck when we met at the dollar store. I should have just made a run for the exit door. I was into you, but now I'm in too deep. I was over my head, but you said that I'm safer in your arms. Saturday, I watched you fly away across the empty sky. I turned around and waved goodbye, and now it's me alone. It's just an empty home that's on an empty street, in a town that always sleeps. I walked down to the parade. The streets were closed and everybody huddled to the barriers, hoping for a better view, waiting for the floats to come through and leave a trail of confetti in their wake. Oh, on 1,000 roads. sleeping with the lights on, buried in regrets, breaking into sweats, naked as a falling leaf. Well, it's a natural reaction, driven to distraction, clawing at the ghosts I'll never meet. Oh, and I don't know where they go when they vanish in the corners of my eyes, and I don't. I woke up this morning on the wrong side of the bed. The hazy sunrise wraps a veil around my head. I can't get motivated, the swimming thoughts are drowning in my head. And if by some coincidence I do just what they said, and the morning blue is warning you, the avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away. In a crumbling land, I was singing in the junkyard choir again. Waiting for my moment to come, I was beating on the timpani drum in the rain, asleep inside a rusty van, parked beside the taxi stand. Well, it's nothing I would ever recommend to you. The freaks are on parade on the uptown promenade. If you ever want to see the bottom, then I'll show you. I was screaming again. I was screaming at a hot dog vendor again. I can't remember why I snapped, probably just a little lapse of reason. Virtues come and virtues go. I dressed up. Well, there's countries in the pits, and I really should admit that I feel it's time to do something about it. Our democracy is splintered, sold out to the highest bidder, and I only see a single way around it. Oh, let's stop being so attendant and declare our independence and create a nation where we're in control. We can find a little island and we'll climb up to the highlands, and we'll paint a flag and hoist it from a pole. Oh, well, it sounded pretty sweet, but it's a little incomplete. There'd be nothing there to eat but weeds and ants. We could bring along some friends, and they could do the odds and ends and start a farm so we could live off of the land. Oh, we need a place to stay, so we could find a way to pay to hire an architect and builders to construct it. I suppose they need to buy some rudimentary supplies. They could use my credit card and just deduct it. Oh, is limited, so we need to find some funding from our friends. We'll need to form an axis if the motherland attacks us, so we better start an army to defend. We'd be careful on history repeats itself in the patterns in the stone. We close our eyes and fumbling, we listen or we don't. The anchor man is babbling, weatherman's a liar. The sports report's a waste of time for the bored and the tired. And the past is all we talk about, 'cause it's all we've ever known.